Hello YouTube, just Paul again, had my coffee, looking at what to do today inside, just before I get up and get outside and do gardening. Alright, I'm going to show you something that I'm really sold well on. This is a nut rivet tool. Alright, I'm swinging you around. Who has a Heathkit amplifier or similar other amplifiers where all of the mounting hole screws, the lids are screwed in with self-tappers. In this instance, they're roughly an M4 size. And then over time, you've taken the cover off half the time and you strip the holes, so you go to a slightly bigger screw hole. I'm lucky with this one, only a couple have fallen into that category. So, in automotive land, I've been using a rivet gun. Now this rivet gun, what it does is, yes, it's a rivet. You take, in this instance, this is an M4 insert with zinc with ribs on it. And what you do is you screw it on the end here, onto the back of the mandrel, until the thread comes out the end. Okay, so you can see all where I'm heading on this. You drill a hole that is the same size. It's very important that it's the same size as this, so it's best to always start small. And you screw it in and bang, you've got a zinc steel thread in your aluminium chassis. And that will never wear out. Okay, so for the purposes of this exercise, I'll show you how it's done. First, I'm going to drill the hole, and then I will show you the steps of the rivet. Okay, so all the holes are drilled. We've put a nut on the end of the tool, and as per any other rivet device, you pull the levers together. Alright, so I've pulled the levers together. It then lets go when it's completely suppressed, and you turn this until you're able to remove. This is unscrewing the mandrel from, and there you go. I'm going to go through and do the whole of the top cover. And then I'll just need to water the stainless steel pan head screws in a 4mm size. Okay, I've just put all the rivets in. My first impressions, it does warp the thinner parts of the rails, which with a bit of playing around, I'll get that all fairly straight again. Doesn't affect the side rails. It just needs a tiny little nip there. All right, I'll just put the top cover on. Okay, overall, I say that's just another success in moving forward. As I said, I need to get pan head, not recessed head, stainless steel, and I need to get them 10mm long at least. And that's my little hack in the restoration of the SB200. I'm still looking for at least another knob, and finding it very difficult. One thing that I have really liked is the vernier that I've put in there, so that these amps have issues on 80 meters where they're very touchy on the tune. The vernier now allows for tuning with a lot more efficiency. I made that arrow up out of brass, cut it to fit and mounted it onto the spindle. And there we go. Not far off finishing this the restoration of the SB200. Thank you.